Hey guys, this is Martin for TechBlogPool, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing of the Sony Ultra HD Blu-ray player, the UBP X700. Okay, let's get to it. I have my handy knife. Let's open this box. Where does it actually open from? Is it this side or that side? Okay, well, before opening the box, let's take a look at what is actually on the box. So from one side, they just tell you connected to the television. It has HDR10, 4K. There are some applications. Also supports Dolby Audio. By that they mean the Dolby Atmos, DTS HD, but also DTS-X. Various playback formats, including FLAC and ALAC, which are lossless formats. HEVC. And various other things. They say it's dustproof and it has low electricity consumption and silencing structure. On this side, more of the same. Plus they tell you that you have two HDMI outputs, one for connecting to the television and one connecting to your perhaps legacy receiver. Here is another picture of the player and the services, and here are some stickers with serial numbers. Okay, so let me just move the camera a little bit. Okay, so it actually opens like this. A few things to take out. So there's some styrofoam and more. Okay, some paperwork and the player itself. Inside there is one more piece of styrofoam. So let's put the styrofoam away. Here's the player, nicely packed. These are just manuals, nothing too important. Well, as you can see, this player actually comes with a power brick. So that's kind of funny. You don't connect the power cable directly to the player, but it goes to this power brick. It looks a little flimsy, to be honest. Oh, come on. Damn it. Yeah, so this ultra thin wire, let me see what the specs are. So it says 12 volts and 1,500 milliamperes. Yeah. So those are the specs, and here is the power cable. Yeah, so the power cable is really short. I would say 30 centimeters. Connects like this into the brick, and then the brick has about a meter. So yeah, I'd say 1.5 meters of length. The remote looks really like a toy. It's super small. Here are some TV controls on off for the player. There's a dedicated Netflix button. Yeah, home button. I mean, very, very, very simple. Takes AAA batteries. Let's put them inside. Let's see if I can make this. Yeah. Okay, and now onto the player itself. So it's really tiny. There we go. It's really tiny. This is where the disc goes. Actually, the tray goes out and the entire thing opens up. On the back side, we have those, let me focus, before mentioned HDMI outs, one for audio and video and one for audio only. There's a LAN port, but only 100 megabit. This player has Wi-Fi, but only 2.4 gigahertz, and there is also a coaxial digital out. And that's it. So not a lot of connection options. Okay, so the important thing about these two HDMIs is that the first one supports HDCP 2.2 and is HDMI 2.0. So it can communicate the entire bandwidth of the signal, audio and video. But if you have a legacy amplifier or a receiver that doesn't have HDMI 2.0 or doesn't support HDCP 2.2, this one is actually stripped of those and is HDMI 1.4 and allows you to connect to it and use uncompressed signals, which if you connect directly to the television you wouldn't have, because usually the signal from the TV is either HDMI ARC, audio return channel, or via optical, and these are limited. Alright guys, thank you for watching. This has been an unboxing of the Sony Ultra HD Blu-ray player, the UDP X700.